All right, let's look at some simple matrix operations. First one, how do we multiply a matrix by a number? So scalar multiplication. All right, so I'm just going to do a example. It's so much easier to just dive right into example. So for example, if you have matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then say you want to multiply by -2, right? Then all you have to do is apply the multiplication to each item, right? Each entry of the matrix. All right, so we just have to multiply everyone by -2. So -2 times 1 is -2. -2 times 2 is -4. -2 times 3 is -6. -2 times 4 is -8. -2 times 5 is -10. -2 times 6 is -12. Right? You just have to apply the multiplication to each entry. All right? So that's how scalar multiplication works. All right? Addition and subtraction is done entry by entry. So you have here, let's say you have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I'm not very creative. And add another, say, 2 by 2 matrix. So 5, 6, 7, 8, or something like that. All right, so all you have to do is, so the resulting matrix is going to have exactly the same dimension as these two. And you just have to do term by term. So you're going to do 1 plus 5. That gives you 6. All right. And then we can do 2 plus 6 is going to give you 8. And then 3 plus 7 gives you 10. And 4 plus 8 gives you 12. Right? And subtraction works exactly the same way. So it just, instead of addition, you do subtraction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're subtracting 5, 6, 7, 8, then you will see it's going to be 1 minus 5 is -4, and 2 minus 6 is -4, and 3 minus 7 is -4, and 4 minus 8 is -4, right? Oh, actually, I miswrote it. -4, right? So addition and subtraction will be done, are done term by term. Then you always get a matrix of the same dimension of those two matrices. All right, transpose is simply switching rows and columns. All right, so if you have a transpose of, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you take the transpose, all right, so let's say this is originally 2 rows and by 3 columns, right? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 matrix will be turned into 3 by 2 matrix, right? Then first row becomes the first column, 1, 2, 3. And the second row becomes the second column, 4, 5, 6. Right? So this is how transpose is applied. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.